Are you tired of scrolling through spreadsheets like you're looking for buried treasure? Or worse, like Excel's hiding secrets from you? Let me show you how to find exactly what you need, quickly and with zero drama. Today we're talking about two Excel superheroes, VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. Trust me, they're here to save your time, your energy, and maybe even your job. Let's use VLOOKUP to find the city for a given customer name. Here's the syntax. Equals VLOOKUP lookup value, table array, col index num, range lookup. Sounds fancy, but don't worry, I'll break it down as I write it. Lookup value. This is the value you want to search for. Sure, you could type it directly into the formula, but we're keeping it dynamic by referencing a cell instead. Why? So you're not stuck rewriting formulas every time. You're welcome. Table array. This is the range of cells that contains your data, the treasure map for your hunt. Col index num. Think of columns as streets. This tells Excel which street or column has the answer you're looking for. For a clean and precise match, go with false. Boom. It works. That's what we like to see. But here's the problem. What if I want to find the customer name for a given city? Well, here's the catch. VLOOKUP can only look to the right. It's like that one friend who refuses to reverse into a parking spot. Sure, they get by, but it's not ideal. Let me show you an example. When I try to find the customer name for a city, Excel's like, nope, I don't do left. Enter XLOOKUP, our new superhero. If VLOOKUP is your trusty sidekick, XLOOKUP is the all-star upgrade you've been waiting for. It fixes all the flaws of VLOOKUP and then some. With XLOOKUP, I can easily find the customer name for a given city. No restrictions, no limits. Here's the syntax. Equal XLOOKUP, lookup value, lookup array, return array, match mode, search mode. Breaking it down, as I write this, lookup value, this is the value I'm searching for. In this case, the city. Like before, I'm referencing a cell to keep things dynamic because we're fancy like that. Lookup array, this is the column where I'm searching. In our example, the city column. Return array, this is where Excel grabs the result, the customer name column. I'll add a friendly not found message because blank cells are sad. We stick with the default exact match because we don't settle for close enough. And just like that, with XLOOKUP, I've found the customer name for a given city. No sweat. No more left or right restrictions. No more weird Excel tantrums. It's like going from driving a go-kart to a Formula One car. Thanks for watching.